Hi, this is Mrs. Blaisdell. This is activity 49 in Excel. It is the NBA Standings 2, and it is about basically setting up freeze panes and also about doing absolute cells. So let's take a look at what we're doing here. Number one, you're just going to pull out the activity 30 that you already did. Okay, then once you have pulled out activity 30, we're going to click over, it asks you to delete row 1, and then click over to A2. So we're going to be right underneath where it says NBA standings. Okay, so if we're clicked in that cell, we want to go to view, which is the tab at the top there, and this is a really helpful thing. It's called freeze panes, and you're going to basically choose freeze panes, and then the top one, freeze panes, and it keeps the rows visible. Then if you scroll down, it keeps it visible as you scroll down. The usefulness of this is not shown in this particular assignment, so I have another one I wanted to just show you how this can be really helpful. In activity 24, where you have a checkbook register, you know, just I set the freeze panes here, and look at this. So as you're going down, and you might be going down forever, you can have the date, the deposit, and so forth showing up there, so you know what you're supposed to put in. Okay, and that's really helpful, extremely helpful if you have a long spreadsheet. But in 49, it doesn't really show you how helpful that could be. So, but it's a very helpful thing to know. All right, once we get our freeze panes in there, then we want to go to GB or game back, and we're going to put in a formula that they tell you there, which is equals, and then B, dollar sign, $6, and then we want that to be minus B6. And why the dollar signs? The dollar signs mean it's an absolute reference. So as we when we do this, we get, you know, basically 50 minus 50. So we're going to get 0 there. I'm not sure why I keep doing a typo, but anyway, at least tells me and fixes it. So anyway, we got this in there, and then as we do the autofill, you're going to see that if this was B6, if it was B6 minus B6, it would change it to B7 minus B7 and so forth, and they would all be zeros, but they're not. And the reason is that it's taking B6 minus B7. Okay, so it's that absolute reference, and so when we autofill, it doesn't change. Okay, and I think that should make sense to you. If not, please let me know. All right, and then the rest of it, just do as it says, and you know, that's it. So have a great day.